Hi sir. So I'm going to explain how to create message and use Handheld Inkjet printer. So always please remember that you should not insert a cartridge while the machine is in on condition. You should switch off the machine and then only you have to insert the cartridge or remove the cartridge. So first I am going to insert the battery here this way, and then the machine is in off condition only. So now I am going to insert the cartridge. So this way, going inside, there is a hole in the other side. It has to sit on that location. Slowly, see, the cartridge will fill the hole. So you have now inserted the cartridge on right way. Now lock this knob. Then one press on this button. So display is getting on now. So here already I have created some messages, that is there. Now we are going to create new message. So here file is there. In file you have to click new. Say OK. You will find one screen like this. So here, if you go to the text, you can type whatever you want, letters, numbers, date, whatever it may be, symbols, everything you can insert and directly print. So here, this is very simple. Go to text and type. I am typing MRP and 100 rupees. Okay, so now MRP rupees 100 has come in. Here you will find, if you select this line, you will find red color dot mark over this line. So after selecting it, go to edit and modify if you want to edit it. So here in top left corner you will find one option, font. Here you can change the font. I chosen Rockwell. So everything is all the settings are here, height, width, interval, style, bold, you want bold letters or not, italic, font angle, and everything is there. So you can change the font here and click OK. So the font is there. So you have to insert the line one by one only. You cannot directly type all the lines, 3 lines, 4 lines in single shot. So first we have inserted first line, then again for the next line you have to click text, and again you have to type manufacturing date, MNF DATE. So I am putting the current date, so 18 5 2023. So the message you type after the first line will appear here only in the same line. You have to touch and move it like this. Then if you want third line, again you have to go to text and type expiry date. So expiry date, just simply I am putting some date you can do whatever you want. So again it will appear here only. You have to move like this. Then 4 line, 5 line, or whatever the count you want, you can put here. And then file, save. The message will get saved. If you want to give file name, you have to click file, save as. Here you can give file name. So I am giving May 18. So here you can find the file name in top left corner. May 18 has come. So now you can find all these messages, whatever you save here in the system itself. You have to go to file, load. Here all the messages will appear, whatever you have saved. So May 18 is here. You have to select the message and click OK. That will appear here. So I am showing another message. So I am clicking another message which I saved earlier. Clicking OK, it will come like this. So I am selecting the current one now, May 18. Okay. So here it appears like this. After that, after saving it, you have to keep the product. 1 second. So you can keep the pouches, labels, whatever it may be, like this way in flat. You can use on bottles also. For that you can call me how to use. So you have to you can find 2 rollers here. These 2 rollers has to touch the bottom. Flat, you don't need to give pressure, just keep it like this. And then in the handle you will find one button here. So you have to press this button 3 times when you start. 1, 2, 3. After the third press, you will hear one sound, beep sound. So the message, the printer is ready now to print. Now you have to roll the printer like this. So again after first message, if you want to print again, you have to press once this button. Beep sound will come. Roll it over. That's it. See the message which I printed down. I hope it's clear. So like this you can add whatever the message you want and you can print directly. So after completing the print, press back and then switch off the machine. If you don't use the machine for more time, you just remove the cartridge, close the cap like this, keep it safe. If you don't cap the cartridge, the small holes will be there in the head, that will get blocked. So the cartridge will not work properly next time. You have to clean it if it gets blocked. So that's it. For now I have explained how to create simple message. Thank you. If any doubt, call me. I am from Jesmax, Stanley.